If you need to cancel a pending transaction on YouTube, follow these steps to ensure that the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your YouTube account. Access your YouTube account by visiting the website or opening the app. Enter your credentials to log in. Step 2. Go to your purchases. Navigate to the Purchases section. This can typically be found in your account settings or under the Library tab, where you can view your transaction history. Step 3. Find the pending transaction. Look for the transaction that is currently pending. It should be listed among your recent purchases, often marked as pending or similar. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click on the pending transaction to view more details. This will provide you with options related to that specific transaction. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s-rock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully cancel a pending transaction on YouTube. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to YouTube support for further assistance.